You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -3/5. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x plus 3. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Multiply by 0. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x -3. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals -3/5.